Hello guys, today we're going to be doing Scratch desktop. So this is my first time doing Scratch, so I don't really know how it works. So what do we got here? What's this? How do I make it move? Maybe some of these things. Hmm. Oh, this. What does this do? I think. Oh yeah, look, it works. Hmm. No, I don't exactly want this block. Green flag. Well, that works too. What does this? Oh, these are the extensions. Okay. Maybe next video we'll do the extensions. Sensing. Let's just type blah for the test. Great. What does this do? Think, It sounds exactly like one of my friends. Oh well. What does this do? If then I saw one. Yeah. What? I have no idea what. Think this. No. Okay. Then how do you make it shout? I've seen people make the cat shout in Scratch. Mm, meow. Okay, let's just use that. What's this? There's some fancy editing software. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, great. I'm touching the color. Touching the color. Hmm, you can see I'm touching the color. Oh, never mind. Join apple banana. Great. How do you put banana equal to plus mango 55 plus 38? Okay. Now how do you put this thing in the box? Hmm, maybe this. Wait. I think. Oh, we got it. Pause. We got it. We got it. Hmm. Let's just throw that away. Apple plus banana. Must be wondering what does apple plus 45 plus 385 mean? Apple 3039. No one cares. Okay. So now variables. Let's add an extension. One of them. Hmm. Music. I want music. Play note I'm going to delete this block. Did you guys hear that? I'll do it again. Yeah, hopefully you heard that. Oh, great. Next. What does this do? I have no idea. Play snare drum. Let's see what that does. I don't know so many instruments. What's a vibroslap? What's a vibroslap? That's weird. Let's take out the meow. Maybe then we can hear that. Let's change it. It doesn't sound great though. What's a wood block? A wood block. It's like a wood block falling on the floor. What's a conga? Right. What does this do? Can we? Oh, I never knew we could do this. I got some evil ideas. Ha ha ha. Let's attach. Okay, no. Oh, I got a great idea. Yeah, this is gonna be great. No, 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 not like that. Hmm. Maybe flip horizontal. No. Okay. Oh my god. It's like, ooh, cool. RGB. This is still great. Can we erase his eyeballs? Wait. Eraser. Let's make it 20. Maybe 18 or something. Yeah, 18. Oh god, that's creepy now. Now that's creepy. Oh my god. Let's put color in his eyes. I wonder what color. Let's. Yeah. Now, what can we draw? A brush we can paint? I got a naughty idea. Hmm. Can't make. Come on. No. Hmm. Go there. Ah, yeah. We just do. Oh god. Yeah, that's. Yeah, no. That's creepy. And let's do dots in the sky. Seriously, I wonder. This cat must be thinking why I'm torturing it. Wonder how it looks. Add horns to it. That look. That's probably the worst horn anyone has drawn in history of horns. Maybe like this. Let's make his teeth. Yeah. like that. See, children, this is what happens if you don't brush your teeth. It's kind of looks like chocolate. How will it look in the cold one? Move 10 steps forward. It's going too much forward. Maybe we make it go backwards. Minus 10 steps, maybe. Maybe that works. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Yeah, see you in